Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Let me start by, I need to say some thank yous to my wonderful patrons, the folks who have put a little something in the PayPal tip jar and supporting this channel. I am very, very, very grateful. It helps me stay stocked up in supplies for you guys. Making a painting a day, you can imagine I go through a lot. And I have been slacking on that. I do know. I will get back on schedule, but I've been working on something else that's very exciting, but it's been taking up a lot of my time. I will let you know about that as soon as I can. But first I need to say thank you to Kate Jackson, Tasha Palmer, Kristen Reed, Lynn Hackett, Patricia Smith, Melissa Bratz, Eleni Finley, Linda Lawrence, and Susan Warren. Thank you so very, very, very much. It is appreciated so much more than you know. It feels good to feel appreciated from my end. All right, so what I have here, another shout out I need to give is to Rick Cheadle. If you don't know him, check him out. He's very cool, does very cool stuff. But he makes these pouring panels, and they're rounded on the side. They're easy flow panels. I don't know if you can tell, it's rounded. But it's nice and thick, very smooth. I didn't have heart to put my C-hooks in it, so I'm using the cups today. All right, so I think I'm going to do a flip cup today. I haven't done one of those in a while, and I have some paints here that I need to use up. So let's do that, shall we? I will put the link to the Easy Flow panel in the description box. In that description box, you will also find a link to my website, which has my paintings. Oh, that looks thick. That got a little bit thick on me. Let me lighten this up. As far as colors we have going here, this is a mix of blue and silver. This is silver. I think there was something else mixed in there. And unfortunately, I can't remember exactly what was in here. I think it's phthalo blue and white and silver. That looks better. Now, there is already silicone in these metallic colors. You know, and I have to mix it because it's been sitting. So hopefully the silicone isn't too broken up. We'll see what we get. All right, so I've got my white. I will do this shade of blue first. Some silver. Black. And this other blue. Okay, let's put on some gloves. I just painted my nails. Okay. And I am not laying down a base coat this time. Rick Cheadle does it, so I'm not gonna. Rick's style, he does a lot of swiping. So we might wind up doing some swiping to keep this in the true Cheadle style. All right, let's have some fun. Now I know why he puts it on a Lazy Susan. Much easier to manipulate that way. These cells are kind of small. I had anticipated that that may happen. Yeah. I love this lacing right there. I do dig on that. I think I want more black in here. You'd swipe the black over the white. All right, let me give that area a little torch. We just see, this is where I mess up. I just keep on fiddling. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and then I will bring you back in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. I kind of like the sides drippy like that. Just on occasion, you know. I think it looks kind of cool. And since the panel's already black, I don't feel like it detracts from the piece. I could certainly go and fill those edges in if I wanted, but I think I kind of like it for this one. So here's the top. I definitely probably could have gotten bigger cells if I had used fresh paint. I have one more Rick Cheadle panel that I plan on doing something cool with. I love this right here. Love that corner. Okay, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Also, do check out the description box below for the link to my PayPal tip jar. To the Rick Cheadle panels, the Easy Flow panel. What else? My Amazon store. Anything that you purchase, when you enter through that link anywhere off of the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no extra cost to you. So please help a sister out if you're going to be shopping there anyway. My website link is there. I have paintings for sale as well as music. So do check out the website. And my lovely Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Please join us there. Post your masterpieces. And, you know, should you find yourself in a painting pickle, there's always someone there who is able to help you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.